What's up, YouTube? This is the Barber Illuminati one more time with another the fresh one. Shout out to Cuss from Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville, Florida. What's up? Hey, by the way, shout out to Miguel Torres. Thank you for the phone call this morning. This video is being recorded at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. We are not hard to find. Let's go! In today's video is going to be a basic ABC high skin fade curl top. I'm excited, you excited, we all excited. If you're new to the channel, I'm recommending that you subscribe right now. Alright, I have to adjust the camera properly. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Boom. Alright, as you already know my style, a large majority of the haircut has already been completed. I only leave this side of the blade. I'm interested in sharing my all detachable blade haircutting technique with you guys. Nothing more, nothing less. What's left to do with this haircut is to blend the side, maybe a little bit of freehand work on top. That's it. I already did the lining. Like I said, the great majority of the haircut has already been completed. Let's go. Alright. By the way, shout out to Tico Cuts, the only Filipino barber in the world. Okay, a quick adjustment. By the way, shout out to Mendy out of Ghana, the real Miss Universe. What's up? This portion right here is very self-explanatory. No explanation is needed. By the way, the Barber Illuminati will be recording videos regularly. My goal is to reach 1,000 haircuts or more by December 31st, 2020, and I'm determined to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a variety of different top discussion, mostly hair cutting, but as I see fit, I'm going to be having several different types of hair cutting related discussions, videos coming soon. Alright, I'm done with the balling out portion of the haircut. I'm going to move in with my first guideline, which I usually do with the OA blade as usual. I'm not doing anything new here, just same old, same old. Alright, this is the OA straight up, creating my first guideline. This is a high skin fade. I kind of ball them out low because I intend to do a nice long soft blend. That's why. In case you're wondering. Alright, that was the the OA, 000 coming up at an angle below the OA. Get in there. By the way, the Barber Illuminati teach all detachable blade haircuts every Saturday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. Look us up. The price of the haircut is $1,000 for 4 sessions, which means you order to buy all 4 sessions for $1,000. You have to pay up front. You would come in on 4 Saturdays to spend the day with the Barber Illuminati so you can learn the all detachable blade fitting techniques. Straightforward, very simple. If you have any question beyond what I just said, you can call, look us up on Google, Marvelous Beauty and Barber School. All right, I just put down the 50. So far I've done the OA, 000, 50. Now I'm down to the slim line, just to make sure the bottom line is fairly out of there. Boom. All right. Now I'm going to move on to my second guideline with the 1.5. Actually, I'm going to do the 1.5 with it. Then I'm going to go against it. This is the 1.5, by the way. By the way, I appreciate those of you who subscribe to the channel and who take the time to leave me positive comments. I appreciate that. The channel is growing. Not as fast as I want to, but it's growing. So the only thing I can do about it, as far as the channel not growing as fast as I wanted to, is to keep on recording. That's the only thing I can do about it, and I'm doing it. Barber Illuminati. By the way, if you have not looked me up on Instagram, feel free to do so. All right, gentlemen, he's ready. Tico Cuts, let's do a little whipping. If you have not looked me up on Instagram, feel free to look me up. The name is Barber Illuminati. If you want to see pictures of the haircut that I post regularly, that's where you find them at. This is the 1A, by the way. 1A, so far I've done the 1.5 1A. This is the 1. Relax your head, relax your head, relax your head. There you go, my man. All right, this is the 1. Below the 1A. Oh, you want a low fade? Is that what it is?
No. That's it. Come up with the fade. I don't know, you start with maybe 1 or something.
Okay, I'll stay out of it. All right. This is the OA below the 1. Then 000 below the OA. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps, starting with the 1.5. Keeping my angle of 1.5 with the intent of blending with the hair, merging with the hair on top. Oh, by the way, I have a 3 on top. I forgot to say that. There's a 3 on top. on number 3 with the grain. I forgot to say that. All right, this is the 1.5 like I said. Then the 1/8 coming up. I'm basically repeating the same step that I just finished. 1/8 below, merging into the 1.5. Then the 1. Then the 0.8. Not too much of it. I have to be very careful of this at this point. All right, I'm gonna repeat some of the steps. Actually, all of the steps. There's a little deficiency right about here with the 1.5. I'm gonna get in there a little bit more. Yeah, I kind of lift up. I'm gonna lift up the 1.5 just a tad bit so I can soften up the transition right about here. This is a 1A. Boom. So I'm just gonna add the 1, maybe the 0.8, then we're gonna wrap this up. All right, I'm basically gonna be doing a little bit of a freehand work up top. Then we're gonna wrap this up. right, YouTube, this is the cut. I'm gonna do a quick spin. Then we're gonna get out of here. All right? This is the cut. If you watch the video all the way this far, you really are a true fan. You're really on board with the Barber, Illuminati, all detachable blade movement. Look at this. Wow, this is incredible. Wow, this is amazing. Wow, look at this. Wow. 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 All right, YouTube, this is a cut. Yes, if you watch the video all the way this far, you really are a true fan. Also, like I said, we do teach all the detachable blade classes here at Marvelous Beauty and Barber School in Waukegan, Illinois. If you're interested in taking our class, feel free to look us up on Google, or you can look me up on Instagram. You can message me or whatever if you're interested in our class. The Barber Illuminati here is back. The goal is 1,000 video. I'm about 100 and something, 30 something into it. I got a lot of work to do. All right, have a good night.